Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Wednesday, June the 13th, 2012. Well, a change of trend today, and a candle has made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading, we had a downtrend in place, a spinning top type candle that found support at the important 124.55 level, and I suggested that there was strong potential for a change of trend to the upside. I also mentioned the very strong resistance at 125.86, and we saw the market today test to above that level, as we've seen very recently the market testing to that level, and we've seen price rejection. We saw the buyers lose commitment at that level. So another day where the buyers have attempted to take control. They've closed with fairly weak control by trading above the midpoint level, but they have lost commitment once again. A white-bodied candle, which is good to see in an uptrend, and lately we've been seeing quite some indecision in markets, but at least the buyers have supported this to a degree, not strongly, but at least the sellers aren't supporting this change of trend to the upside. So the market may be building some momentum to test above the 125.86 level. I think if we see a close up above the 125.86 level, and especially a bullish close, then that will be significant because of this strong rejection from this area, and we could see the market trade to higher levels. We have potential resistance around this level, around 126.40 at this swing low, and we saw a rejection from there previously, but also resistance at the Kijun-sen at 126.33. That will provide very strong resistance, and we will need to see a bullish close above there. In terms of patterns that are forming in this market as well, and we've seen similar types of patterns forming in most financial markets at the moment. And we had this failed head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and we failed to close beyond there. But at the moment we're also seeing congestion in this shorter time frame, and some sort of a triangle, not quite a wedge, more of a symmetrical type triangle. We have a prior uptrend, and here we have the market making lower peaks and higher troughs. This is a little bit too big. The size of this pattern is a little bit too big in relation to the prior uptrend, so it's not quite a perfect type of pattern. But the significance is that we had strong trending action, and now we're seeing congestion, and we should wait for the breakout. Now, if we do see the breakout from 125.86 and a close above this area, that would be completion of that pattern. With it being a symmetrical triangle, the target would be the distance between the boundaries at the widest point projected up or down from that pattern. They tend to be continuation patterns too, by the way, but patterns should never be preempted. We should always wait for the breakout and the close beyond the barrier. In terms of Fibonacci extensions at the moment, we're now, because we're trading in an uptrend at the moment, we're comparing the current uptrend to the previous, and because of this congestion we have very small swings in the market at the moment, but significantly the market attempted to trade beyond the 61.8% level and closed at the 50% level, so there is a possibility for continued rejection from that level. With the buyers having control of this market, however, it seems as though the market may test higher. We could find resistance once again around the 61.8, but the 78.6 or even the 100% could come into play. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously we have a bearish market in a long-term time frame by trading below the cloud, and the market remains bearish in the medium-term time frame by trading below the Kijun-sen, and that's quite significant. It's been a long time since we've seen the market trading below there. We tested to there, and we've seen the price action rejected strongly from there. There is a possibility that we could see another test. The price action is moving closer to the Kijun-sen, and we could see another test and rejection from there as well. So that is a very, very important level. But with us trading below there at the moment, the market is bearish in the medium-term time frame. The market is, however, bullish and maintaining its bullishness in the fast-term time frame, and we've seen the market trading either at or above the Tenkan-sen for quite some time. That's the green line here, and that's significant, where it's been a while prior to that before the market was trading above there. So we have seen quite a shift in the short-term momentum to the upside. So we're waiting to see resolution from this pattern that's forming, this symmetrical triangle type pattern, as I've said, tends to be a breakout to the upside, but don't count your chickens until they're hatched. To the downside, if we do see a move down below, we could quickly see the market trading down to 122.87. We do have strong support down there though at 124.55, but also to the upside, 125.86 is a very strong resistance level.